We are staying in a deluxe daypack. Deluxe Oceanview cabin number 2234. It's on deck number 2, and I decorated it with magnets for my birthday because it's my birthday today.
Thank you.
Bye. Okay. So over here they put on these cards that are always inserted, because if you did take it out, then the lights, it's gonna turn off, like all the electricity, all the powers, outlets and everything. So they put these things that are permanently here. All you need to worry about is just switching this master switch. On the back of the door, as always, you have your evacuation instructions and your muster station number. Now here, what's interesting is that you have this really long hallway in a deluxe Oceanview. You have 2 bathrooms. This is exciting. Like bathroom number 1 is a toilet, shower, and you have the little adjustable shower head over there. This one is with a curtain. Then you have the toilet, and you have your towels. Lots of storage in this one. It's not been updated. I mean, it's original bathroom to when the ship was released in 2011, I believe. But yeah, it has lots of storage. It's a really nice, spacious bathroom. You have a waste basket down there. You have extra toilet paper, all these things. And what I like about Carnival, they have these swivel out mirrors, which are really cool. And they're magnifying on the other side. Appreciate that very much. Now here you have a couple of hooks. You have your digital thermostat. Well, not digital, but buttons. You adjust it. And here you have the second bathroom. This bathroom has a bathtub. Now my kids are drying off their swimsuits here. But yeah, this tub is huge. I mean, it's not long, but it's so deep. It is really deep. So you could totally sit in there and be, you know, submerged in water, unless you're very tall, which I'm not. So this one also has another mirror over here. Our kids have been using this bathroom to brush their teeth and get ready. The only toilet is in the other one, the one with a shower. And here you have the towels. So this is really nice. What a great bonus. You got more hooks here. Now with this room, it has 4 closets. The closets are nice and spacious. This one, we needed more hangers, but this one with hanging storage. This one here, more hanging storage. We used that one for my husband and his shoes. And this one, mine, for me, my shoes. And this one we have for children, their stuff, their backpacks, their things. And now this big vanity area is also very nice. It has a lot of storage here as well. Very big. Here you have a safe, digital safe. It's actually bigger than many others that I've seen before on ships. And you have your 4 drawers with a hair dryer, and the top one, it's already plugged in, so all you have to do is flip the switch. Has a little a stool here with a waste basket. Those bottom drawers are pretty spacious. Like, they're really big, nice drawers. And now on this side, you actually have a little desk pull out, really big desk. Over here, you have 2 American outlets. And on the opposite side, you have the European outlet adapter. The call the Deluxe we found, by the way. So yeah, you have the switch to turn on the lights. Room attendant wrote, "Happy birthday, Elisabetta." It's my birthday today. I'm 42. I'm not excited about that, but I am excited that we are celebrating here as a family, and we're having a wonderful time. So that's wonderful. Here you have your cooler fridge. It's not a fridge, it's a cooler, but it does keep things pretty warm. I mean, pretty cool. Keeps them pretty cool. Here's your little TV. It's not large at all. I think it's like 24-inch maybe. And you have more storage above there. So overall, plenty of space. Now here the bedside, we have 2 children with us. So one has one top bunk and the other one has the bottom bunk. And the beds are so comfy and they're so great. And this is their little coffee table. They use it to store their paraphernalia from the kids club, all their stuff. And this is a nightstand on each side of the bed. It has a light switch here. It's really nice, really convenient. No outlets or USBs on this side. And it has more storage beneath there. The bed is king size bed. It's super comfortable. I also add a lot of magnetic hooks when I travel. It just helps with storing like lanyards. As you see that I have some over there. I just kind of have them all spread out everywhere. So these hooks are really helpful with additional storage. Now over here, kind of similar situation. You have another nightstand over there with a light switch and a picture window. Our kids got up in there and sat there a few times. It's not really comfortable for adults, but for little children, I'm sure everything is comfortable. So this is the room tour. I'm very, very happy about it. We got this cruise for free from Scarlet Pearl Casino in D'Iberville, Mississippi. And it came with our interior room. And since we have the 4 of us, I called the casino department at Carnival and I asked them if they could upgrade me, and they upgraded me to this for free. So that's pretty freaking amazing, if you ask me. And we've had the best time. I'm so happy. So happy. And today's our last day. So this is the room tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Happy cruising. Talk to you soon.